So here I have Gorbachev and Abe Shinzo. And I want to replace all of Abe Shinzo with Gorbachev name. Of course, in real life, these will be some variable or function names. So the brute force approach will look like this. Use a substitute command and type every word and replace. The problem is that it involves too much typing, and sometimes it has way more underscores. Let's improve a bit. So we can make use of the fact that substitute command uses what is in the search register if left empty. So we can put Abe Shinzo into the search register by placing the cursor and type star. That will put the word under the cursor to the search register. So with this, you don't have to type Abe Shinzo anymore, but you still have to type Gorbachev's name. We can actually do better. We can paste the content of any register with Ctrl R followed by the register. So yank Gorbachev, then yank Abe Shinzo, and if we take a look at the register, register 0 has Abe Shinzo, register 1 has Gorbachev. Then what you can do is use the substitute command like always and press Ctrl R and 0 and Ctrl R and 1, and that's quite cool, and we can put this in the mapping. But we can do even better. There's another Ctrl R command that we can use, and that is Ctrl R followed by Ctrl W. It pastes the word under the cursor. So with this, you yank Gorbachev and just place the cursor on Abe and go to the command line and press Ctrl R, Ctrl W, and Ctrl R and 0. Now we can put that in a mapping. So with this mapping, what you do is yank Gorbachev, place the cursor on Abe, and press leader Z. Now, what could be better than that?